What a wonderful day!
Hi, guys!
Drill truck.
Let's go!
The drill machine has a special job today.
Okay. Are you ready? Nice! What's
Look,
next?
it's drilling a mold. Now it pours yellow paint into the mold.
I like it.
When the paint dries, it gently breaks it open.
Orange.
Wow, it's the cutter for a harvester. The drill machine keeps working on a new mold.
I like it.
This time, it pours in purple paint.
Very nice.
Purple.
It's making the base of the harvester.
Who is next? So nice. Wow.
Blue.
Next, it makes a blue cabin.
Cool.
Green.
A green body.
Bravo. Very nice.
Red.
Transformation.
And 4 wheels. Amazing!
Hi, guys. Come here.
Let's put all the parts together.
It's amazing. What is this? I got it. Cool. Come here.
Harvester.
Yeah.
It's a colorful harvester. Hooray!
Are you ready? Okay. Let's go. Open.
The harvester happily goes to harvest the vegetables.
Amazing. What's next? Very nice. Good job. Who is next? It's my time. Come here. Let's go.
Dump truck.
Dump truck helps deliver the fresh vegetables to the supermarket.
Okay. Good job.
What a wonderful day!
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.